Are you ready to dive into the world of homemade kombucha? Before you start brewing, you'll need the star of the show, a SCOBY. In this video, I will show you how to make your very own kombucha SCOBY from scratch. It's easy, fun, and super rewarding. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a SCOBY? SCOBY stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. It's a living, gelatinous disc that ferments sweet tea into tangy, probiotic-rich kombucha. Basically, it's the magic ingredient for gut health and delicious fizzy drinks. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell. Here's what you'll need to make your SCOBY. 1 cup of plain, unflavored store-bought kombucha, with live cultures. 2 cups of water. 1 cup of sugar. 4 tea bags, green or black tea will be fine. A large glass jar, a clean cloth, and a rubber band. Now, let's bring it all together. Step 1. Brew the sweet tea. Start by boiling the water and steeping your tea bags for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tea is ready, stir in the sugar until it's completely dissolved. Let the tea cool to room temperature. Step 2. Add kombucha. Once your sweet tea is cool, pour in the store-bought kombucha. This kombucha contains the live cultures needed to kickstart the SCOBY formation process. Step 3. Cover and store. Cover the jar with a clean cloth and secure it with a rubber band. This lets the SCOBY breathe while keeping dust and bugs out. Step 4. Let it ferment. Now, place your jar in a warm, dark spot. Leave it undisturbed for 1 to 4 weeks. Over time, you'll notice a thin, jelly-like layer forming on top. That's your SCOBY growing. After about 2 weeks, your SCOBY should be thick enough to use in your first kombucha brew. It will be slightly tangy and have a faint vinegary smell, perfect for fermenting your sweet tea into kombucha. And there you have it, your very own homemade SCOBY. Tips and troubleshooting. Here are a few quick tips. If your SCOBY develops any black spots or mold, discard it and start over. If it smells overly sour or off, it might need more time or adjustments to the environment. But don't worry, once you get the hang of it, making a SCOBY is super simple. Now you're ready to start brewing kombucha like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and sustainable living tips. Drop a comment below if you've tried making a SCOBY or if you have any questions. Cheers to your kombucha journey.